Let's see if you had no ears. How that look?
No, I wouldn't like that at all.
This is what he been waiting on all day.
Mm-hmm. He stays in one spot when you're gone.
I see people playing with their dogs.
Yes, you play with your dog. I see people play with their dog all the time. It's not about playing.
You a good boy? You a good boy? You been a good boy today? Look at him. You been a good boy today, ain't you? These big old ears.
I love them.
Yeah, see, here's his pressure point. I can dig straight into that and let it shut everything down.
Well, please
you want
don't.
to hear him scream?
No. What just happened?
Y'all don't make y'all dogs scream?
No. That's... Oh, no.
Neither do I. I heard about you making a mess. Courtney told me.
That's because I woke up late.
He ain't never did that with me.
He at least he ran downstairs.
Yeah. Because you know he would have been out.
No,
He'd have been out from the upstairs for the rest of the day. That'd be your punishment. See? I'm nice to Courtney too.